In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Outlook, 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Outlook. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the main Outlook screen with your navigation pane visible. We're going to switch to the area where your contacts live, called People. Look for the People icon in the left navigation. It may look like a small silhouette. If you don't see it right away, expand the app bar or switch views until People appears. Click it to open your contact list. Now that you're in the People view, you'll see options for managing contacts. Find the button to create a new one. It's typically labeled New Contact, and in some versions you might see Create Contact or Add Contact. Click that button to open a blank contact form. With the contact form open, enter the details you want to save. Start with the name so it's easy to find later. Add their primary email address in the email field and include a phone number if you have it. Outlook lets you specify whether it's mobile, business, or home. You can also include a company and job title to keep things organized, which is especially helpful for work contacts. If you want, add a physical address, a website, or a birthday so Outlook can surface helpful reminders. The notes section is great for quick context like how you met or topics you typically discuss. If there's a photo available, you can add it here to make the contact easier to recognize at a glance. As you type, Outlook may suggest existing entries. If you see a match, you can update that contact instead of creating a duplicate. Take a quick moment to double check spelling and that the email is correct. This prevents bounced messages later. When everything looks good, finish by selecting Save and Close. Outlook will store the contact and return you to your list. You should now see the new entry under your contacts and it will be searchable. The next time you compose an email, just start typing the person's name or email in the To field and Outlook will suggest the contact you saved. If you ever need to make changes, open the contact from the People view and choose Edit to update any field, then save again. That's it. Open Outlook, go to People, create a new contact, enter the details and click Save and Close. Simple, clean and done in minutes.